Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Access 57 and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find security and password. Let's tap on it and let's choose the security. Now let's scroll down and find encryption and credentials. Let's tap, and at the very bottom of the list we've got clear credentials option, so let's tap on it. If you are ready to remove all the contents, let's tap on OK. And this is it. This is how to remove all certificates, all credentials in your ARCHOS Access 57. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.